Hi, it's Brad Walker again. He's here showing you the gaming computer and powering it up for the first time since I put it back together. So let's see if it works. Might help to turn the power supply on. There we go. Alright. Oh, we got the power light and all lights are working fine. This is all working, everything's powering up. So let's turn this on, let's set this up. Oh, look at that. Put it right into Windows. I hope so. Ah, there it comes. I'm going to show you what you can do with a gaming computer. Let everything load. Okay. Okay, it's going. Now, what we're going to want to do is, let's see, let's restart your file exchange. We'll restart later. I'm just overclocking the CPU. Alright, it's already on. These overdrives on. Turn the fan. Now this is going to turn the fan on for your graphics card. It's going to turn it all the way up. Because when you're gaming, you really need to make sure your graphics card stays cool. Alright, here, I just kicked in. So we'll go to this racing game here first. This is Need for Speed. I forget, it's the newest Need for Speed. I'll tell you what it is here in a second. But the graphics are really good on this game. And you need a good computer like this to play a game like this, especially with a computer. You can play it with a PlayStation or an Xbox or something, but it's a lot better with a computer. called Need for Speed The Run. Continue here. I already beat this game, but this is my second go around at it. But I just want to show you the graphics, how well this plays. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me. The computer, not the car. Really nice graphics. Gameplay is real smooth. There's no lag at all. I'll just do some crashes. I'll crash so you can see what it does. Just so you know, I'm crashing on purpose. It's not a very good level for crashing. I'm trying to find something I can hit that'll make me wreck. There's nothing on this level.